Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine from pineapple. First, choose about 10 pounds of ripe, sweet pineapples. Peel and core them carefully, then cut the fruit into small, 1-inch pieces. This preparation is crucial for extracting maximum flavor. Remember to thoroughly sanitize all your winemaking equipment before you begin to prevent any unwanted contamination. Cleanliness is key for a successful batch of homemade wine. Next, combine your prepared pineapple pieces with about 2 pounds of sugar and 1 gallon of water in a primary fermenter. Add a packet of wine yeast to initiate the fermentation. It's important to maintain a consistent temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal yeast activity. Attach an airlock to your fermenter to allow carbon dioxide to escape while preventing oxygen from entering. Monitor your fermenter. Primary fermentation usually takes 2 to 3 weeks. Once bubbling slows significantly, it's time to rack the wine. Carefully transfer the liquid into a clean, sanitized carboy, leaving behind any sediment. This process, called racking, helps clarify the wine. After racking, allow your pineapple wine to age for at least 3 months. This aging period is crucial for developing its full flavor profile. Finally, after aging, it's time to bottle your delicious homemade pineapple wine. Carefully siphon the wine into sterilized glass bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Cork or cap your bottles securely. For best results, store your bottled wine in a cool, dark place, allowing it to continue aging and develop even more complexity. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy the fruits of your labor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.